Okay, so you wanted to change your Fortnite names. So basically, if you're sick for the OG name you picked in 2018, it's time for a refresh, right? So your Fortnite name is actually one or two things: your Epic display name or your console gamer tag. So for PC, for Switch, for mobile, which is the free way. If you play into a PC, Nintendo Switch, or a mobile, your name is tied directly to your Epic Games account, so you needed to head directly to the official website and log it in. In my case, I already into my Epic Games, but basically to make this process a little bit much more faster is to focus directly from your account, and it will be leaving you directly here from Epic Games. So I will try to sign in a very easy way. I will enter my actual passcode and I should have now access directly inside here. So a quick piece of advice that I can give you is that if you are using your, let's say, Fortnite using a PS5 or an Xbox, try to enter first into an actual computer to make this process much more faster, right? So okay, now I'm inside the actual mobile element. What I need to do is to go for my account settings. As you can see, we are now into my account settings, and you want to look for the display name. So here is my account information. That you can see, here's my display name. If I click directly into this element that says update your display name, if you change your Epic Games display name, you can change this again for 2 weeks after you confirm that this changed. So make sure that you selected a really great display name. So now you can understand that I cannot change my display name again for 2 weeks after this change. So hit for the element that says continue, and if this display name is available, it will let you continue. If it doesn't, it will be appearing something like sorry, this display name is already in use. So that means that we needed to, of course, choose a new one. Now if you're using a PlayStation or an Xbox, for console players, Fortnite usually displays your PSN online. I believe that Xbox has a gamer tag, not an Epic name. So you wanted to change your name there, so you have to change your entire console ID. Onto PlayStation, I believe that the first change is free, but every change after that costs about $10, I believe. Something like that, so you might want to take that in mind. So if you're into a cabinet account, for example, or a modern 2026 crossplay setup, you might see your Epic game name instead. So in that case, you needed to use the PC method we just covered. So that's it. You need to restart your game and your new name should be live into the lobby, and it will be really easily to get started. So if you have any questions, guys, you can let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and hopefully with all of this being said, we can all see you all next time.